Hello friends, my topic is comparison of Grignard reaction in classical and green reaction. So, Grignard reaction is an organometallic chemical reaction in which alkyl, allyl, vinyl or aryl magnesium halides is added to carbonyl group in an aldehyde or ketone. This reaction is important for the formation of carbon-carbon bonds. Coming on to the classical reactions, the Grignard reaction is carried out by placing magnesium powder into a dry reaction flask, adding the anhydrous diethyl ether. Bromobenzene in anhydrous diethyl ether is added to reaction flask slowly since it is an exothermic reaction, and benzophenone dissolved in anhydrous ether is then added to the flask. The conditions for this type of reaction typically require very anhydrous condition due to the fact that the magnesium salt will react with any small amount of water in the solution. Therefore, the Grignard reaction is typically performed in anhydrous organic solvents such as tetrahydrofuran or diethyl ether. And the reaction is usually carried out by this manner. The chemicals used and hazards are given on in this table. Coming on to the green reactions, it is a zinc mediated process which is used to perform a carbon-carbon bond formation reaction which involves the use of zinc dust, magnesium sulfate and a minimal amount of organic solvent in aqueous condition. And the reaction is given like this. It should be noted that the Grignard reaction still uses diethyl ether but in smaller amounts because the zinc mediated process can be performed under aqueous conditions. Reduced amount of ether are necessary. Chemical used and hazards by green reactions are given on in this table. It should be noted that some of the chemicals still possess some human health and environment hazards. Green chemistry is a process and improvements can always be made. Therefore, the chemicals now we are using today might be a better alternative for current traditional process today, but improvements can be made tomorrow. In summary, by implementing greener versions of classical Grignard type reaction, there are many benefits. The greener reactions can be performed in aqueous conditions, whereas classic reactions require very anhydrous condition. As all green chemistry experiments, there are still some hazards associated with reagents and solvents. Thank you.